Hello guys, welcome to a new video. The first product of today are SouthPark Crocs charms for about $5. The quality is good and they look really funny on the croc. Next up, we got 4 different colorways of Pit Viper glasses for about $3 each. The quality is really good for the price and there is also sun protection. In my opinion, you can order at the same seller the box with a bag for 80 cents. It comes also with an attachment if you use the glasses, for example, riding a bike, so it is more stable. Next up are unbranded caps for about $5 each. The quality is really good and perfect if you want a hat without branding. There is no logo or design on them. We have 2 colorways, a beige one and a white one. Next up are Jordan caps for the same price from the same seller. A black one with white logo and a beige one with black logo. The Jumpman is all over the inside and also on the metal thing where you can regulate the size. Quality and detail is insane and I would absolutely recommend this product. Now following are Polo Ralph Lauren hats with the colorway brown and dark blue. On the brown one is the logo white, and on the blue one yellowish. It's still the same seller, so each hat is about $5. Quality and fit phenomenal, and I would recommend this product. It is also a very nice gift for a friend. If you need shorts for the gym or for the summer, I have the perfect product for you. Shorts from EricEmmanuel in collaboration with Gucci and another one with BAPE. They are really thin but good quality. The price is also fine. For $4.50, you can make nothing wrong with them. Print, tag, and stitching are very good. Next up, we got thicker shorts from FearOfGod in the colorway white. First up, we take a look at the packaging, and as we can see, it's good. The tag is there, and this time is the stitching without flaws. Logo and print, I would say, are perfect. I also ordered Nike socks for 60 cents each. They are thicker than I thought, so I give them a 10 out of 10. The packaging is insane, just like if you would buy them in the store. We also have a more luxury product. It's a Goyard card holder in the colorway brown. The box is as always very good quality, so is the wallet. The card holder is about $5 and absolutely worth every penny. It includes a certificate. And the last product of today is a Lego figure for 60 cents and a Lego statue of Chainsaw Man. It is a little bit more heavy. It's about 2 kyon and has about 1950 pieces. It was about $18.60. I cannot show it right now because I haven't finished building it. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe, and see you at the next video.